Dark mode might not be a silver bullet for improved battery life. This study suggests that you're only really saving plenty of power if you're switching from light mode at 100% brightness.
I feel like this story is for you.
Because I'm dark mode?
No, you always like to put 100% brightness.
Oh, yeah, I'm always 100% brightness. Yeah. Unless I'm in a pitch black room, then
Sure.
I'm not at 100% brightness. So the best effect that dark mode is going to have is if you're at max brightness.
Mm-hmm.
Researchers found that switching to dark mode from low to mid brightness only yielded between 3 to 9% savings. Yeah, that's nothing. That's not worth it. I mean, you might like the look of dark mode, but efficiency is not going to be that great. You know, this show is dark mode as well.
It is, yeah.
You don't even need to switch into dark mode.
You're saving a lot of money.
If you like to watch full blast like I do, go for it, because this is tailor-made for your energy savings on dark. However, a new study by Purdue University researchers has shown that switching to dark mode might not make a big difference for power consumption with typical usage. Researchers looked at 6 apps: Calculator, Google Calendar, Google Maps, Google News, Google Phone, and YouTube, using their new tool called a per-frame OLED power profiler. Cool. The team found that many consumers use auto brightness settings, keeping the brightness around 30 to 40% when indoors. How dare you? But
that's normal.
How dare you? You got this beautiful OLED screen, and you're not even burning your own retinas.
Yeah.
Get out of here. So what's the effect if you are at high brightness? Okay, here we go. If you're at 100% brightness and you switch to dark mode, you could save 39 to 47% of battery.
Yeah, Lou.
I'm a dark mode guy then. I need it because I'm always cooking the brightness, man.
Yeah.
I'm fully cooked on the brightness. If you're like that, then you better get that dark mode going.
Listen, it looks great when it's 100% brightness, but save some battery.
Honestly, it's probably worse for you in the long run too.
Yeah, I hear
that
you.
max brightness, especially like I said, if you don't have any ambient light.
Uh-huh.
But outdoors, you kind of need it at different times. So that's cool. Nice little study.